Hello students, welcome in your computer online class, standard 10th. Today we are going to start chapter 5 in your computer studies children. The topic of this chapter is Introduction to Kelsey. Okay children, in this chapter we will learn about detailed spreadsheet similar to electronic sheet. First we will learn that introduction to Kelsey, then getting started with Kelsey, parts of Kelsey program in detail also. Different parts of Kelsey: title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, formula bar, rows, columns, cells, data, input bar, worksheet, workspace, zoom, tool, scroll bar and status bar, and we will also learn about sheet tab. Okay children, now next we will learn about creating a new Kelsey document to enter data in a worksheet, saving a worksheet, reopening a worksheet with screenshots also, and to end part we will study with use of start Kelsey term function to see OpenOffice Suite's developers team in Kelsey program children. Now let's see what is exactly Kelsey is. Yes, you can say it is a twin brother of Excel. You must have done Excel also. So Kelsey is an electronic spreadsheet package from the OpenOffice Suites used for fast and accurate calculations and formatting of data. Used for managing financial accounting, creating reports, generating invoices, analyzing data from scientific and statistical researches, etc. It is also helpful for creating graphical representation of data. Well, data is entered in rows and column style in Kelsey, similar to Excel, MS Excel children. You can compare it with your square line book used for maths. Remember, in your childhood you used for mathematics or learning maths numbers, you used square line book, notebook. Spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns. It allows formulas and functions. After entering data, user can format it and analyze them for decision making. Because of these abilities, the spreadsheet packages are used as universal program for structured data preparation and processing children. Here LibreOffice Kelsey, which closely resembles to Kelsey, is also a free open source software, open source spreadsheet package. Hope you got it children. Now beyond a spreadsheet, as spreadsheets became larger, they became more difficult to manage. So manage spreadsheet, the concept of worksheet came into the existence. Okay, so worksheet is a collection of spreadsheets. Now applications of spreadsheet package or packages: activities, balance sheet. So what is balance sheet children? In description we will see statements of financial position and summary in typical account format. Another activity, result analysis and merit list preparation. Yes, calculating, sorting and filtering results of some activities such as examination. Your result is to be prepared on Kelsey children. Well, statistical data analysis, sorting, arranging and applying statistical operations such as finding mean, median, probability, etc. Next activity is financial activities. Financial activities such as loan installment calculation, interest calculation, etc. children. Okay, next is personal activity. Let's see what is personal activity. Personal activities such as tracking personal weight, managing list of activities, items and events, such as preparing list of guests for a party or a forthcoming event. I hope you got all these activities similar to your own activities children. Well, Now children, getting started with Kelsey. So first thing you require to know is how to open Kelsey. Follow the command sequence. Applications, go to application, which is similar to start menu. Then in application, go to office. In office, open office org, and you will see here children, you can see here. Okay, so this is application, similar to start in Windows. Because it is open office, so no start menu, it is application menu. Here we are having office. In office we are going to open office org spreadsheet. Perform calculation, analyze information, and manages list in spreadsheet children. So this is the first look of open office Kelsey. Okay, you can see the different part of Kelsey here. Title bar, menu bar, toolbars, formula and data input bar. Then we are having column header. Then we are having row headers. Okay, then we are having sixth is yes, active cell, fine. Seventh, address or name field of selected cell. Eighth, we are having formula and data input bar. Then children, workspace and zoom tool. 11th, status bar at the bottom, and sheet tab where we are having different sheets. Okay, so this is blank, completely blank, untitled open office Kelsey screen. You have done in 9th standard children. I hope so you remember all these things, or you are recollecting. First we go to title bar. This is title bar children here. Okay, title bar is located at the top. It shows name of the current spreadsheet. If you have just opened a new file, so it does not give any name to spreadsheet. It is known as untitled. It is denoted as untitled X, where X is a number. When you save spreadsheet for the first time, you are asked to enter the name of your choice. Okay, it will let you know which workbook you are currently working with. Here you can see the image of title bar. Now menu bar children. We are having different menus, especially you can see here menu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 menus we are having. File, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, windows, and help. In file we used to save the file, we used to create the new file, printing the file, opening the file, and preview the file. Edit, we can do copy, paste, find, replace, etc. View, we can interface with page break preview. Also we can add or remove elements of these different view options. Insert, we can insert rows, columns, worksheets, elements, object, etc. Format, that is we are formatting cell. Okay, data will be the same, but we can make the changes in the data, I mean to say in the look wise, like changing colors, cell width, and we can also do the format, grouping the elements, sorting, conditional formatting. All these features are available in formats. Next we are having tools. Additional tools such as spell check, document protection, formulas, errors, correction are found in tools menu. Data, so processing the data, sorting data, filter is here in data menu children. Windows, so new window, freezing cells, list of openoffice.org documents is available in Windows menu. And help comes at the last. Help about functions, information about application, and different version of OpenOffice Kelsey is found in found in help menu children. You can see the formula menu bar, sorry children, it's a menu bar. Fine, 9 menus are available here. Now we are having standard toolbar. Standard toolbar, as the name suggests, this toolbar contains most frequently used standard commands from the file and edit menu. Recently used icons are reflected in this bar. So most commonly you will see icons for creation of new Kelsey document, opening an existing document, checking spelling within the document, cutting and pasting, content and printing document, etc. are found in standard toolbar. As I said, most recently used icons are reflected in these bar. Now formatting toolbar, children. This is your formatting toolbar. You can see uh, font size, font style, bold, italic, underline, different alignment. Okay, and then percentage zeros. Fine, children. Colors. So these are the different application you can do in formatting toolbar. If any icon is not available, you may go to far end of the formatting toolbar and select the option to add an icon. Next is formula bar, children. Formula toolbar presents facility for entering and editing formula within a cell. A typical formula toolbar is shown here in this image, children. In your textbook you can find it. Now buttons in toolbars can be modified, can be arranged. So user can add buttons to the toolbar, remove them, adjust their sequence. You can add or remove toolbar. Here option is given, going to view menu. In view menu here see, in OpenOffice Calc we go to view menu. There we are going toolbar. In toolbar, which option you like, okay, you can select them and you may have, or you do not want those options, so you can remove them by deselecting, children. So children, now I end up this session, part 1. So we will be continuing in part 2 of this Calc program. We will learn how to create Calc worksheets. Okay, now children, thank you for now. See you next session. Take care. God bless you.